Guys, Rupa from YouTube channel Positive Academy. Today, I just wanted to talk about psychology and mindset. It is so much important that you are having the right mindset and psychology. And to understand that, I will just mention the two tests in the description. You just have to give the test to know the personality types, to know your character, to know what are your traits and what are your stance you are having, right? So you might be also thinking about choosing a career, might be a manager or accountant or anything, right? Or maybe involve a public dealing, right? You may be into sales or something. So these tests will definitely help you to know yourself better, right? For the better. What are your inside thing, right? Because everything is mindset, everything is related to dealing with people, everything is related to psychology. So it is so much important to understand that. And for that, I will definitely provide you with two of the tests, right? Nothing is sponsored in this video, right? I just wanted you to help you to get the clear idea about yourself, because a lot of people are not even aware what they are going to, what this psychology is, what their mindset is, how they are just processing, right? Because when you are just into one field, for example, you are into sales, right, but you don't know about sales and you step into some another field which is not even relevant to you, and which you don't possess any kind of skills in that thing, and now you are progressing in the wrong direction. Actually, you are going into, you wanted to go in north but you are now into south. That's very contradicting to what you are capable of. For example, one person is not involved into marketing, or you can say in medical representative, right? And he is involved into more creativity work like writing, learning, right, sharing the stuff. But now he shifted to this marketing. So it's the wrong path. It is a wrong track. It is the wrong field of making money or big or just developing your career. So this test will definitely help you to choose the right career, right? It will help you to know yourself better because you are answering this quiz, you are answering these questions, and based on their analysis, you will be able to determine what is your correct direction in the career, how you can develop or how you can make the changes in your career and progress, right? Make it as your strength so much powerful that no other person has the capability to just break to you. You become so powerful in that particular career. So it is so much important, right, to analyze that. And this quiz will definitely help your personality types, your attributes, your plus signs, right? It will help you to understand yourself better, right? Because everything is in this universe is mental. Once you are having here powerful, when you are powerful from here, everything can become powerful. And when you see any kind of inventions or anything that is being happening in the world, it always takes place in the mind, right? First, and then into paper or then into physical world, right? So everything is mental. To make yourself so much powerful, mentally clear, this is the purpose of this channel. That's why we are just so much spiritually aligned, and we know everything about mind, to understand the mind, how you can overcome any kind of anxiety, stress, addictions, and to become the greatest version. That is what the channel is about. And it will definitely help you to clear all the blockages also if you're having, right? We do meditation and we do chakra alignment. That is another part. But what I'm talking about is in the matrix, living in the matrix, right? You can't just stop all the things and always be spiritual, but it is so much also important to be living in the matrix where you just deal with the people. And so now when you're dealing with the people, it is essential to know yourself, right? It is essential to know what are your things that you are capable of, right? And it will be done or it will be analyzed based on the answers that you just give in the quiz. So it will maybe like 20 to 30 minutes, right, to just go through both of the quizzes, right? The second quiz I'm talking about is about your dark traits, right? About your dark secrets that you only know, right? It will help you to know whether you're narcissist, whether you are someone who is just uh, deceitful or just playing with the people emotions, or you can just trick people, you can and manipulate the people. You will be able to know all those dark traits you might be having in the second test, right? And you can always share the results and let me know in the comments. This is the interesting stuff, right? because it will help you to know yourself, to know your ideal career, to know who you are inside. Are you a narcissist? Are you that one who who can just who is so much tricky that people even can't even handle that kind of situation, right? So it will help you to do low to do and make possible many things for you. Yeah, this is not a sponsor video or any kind of thing, but I just wanted to help you, right, to know yourself better and to become your greatest person, to challenge yourself if you're finding in any kind of difficult situation. It will definitely help you. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section what are your results and how are you feeling about taking this test. That it is a psychology test. It is a mindless thing, playing with your mind, right? Knowing what is right and wrong, right? Giving you scenarios like this is happening, right? And so, what will be your answer? Are you agreeing or are you disagreeing? Are you strongly agreeing with this point or are you strongly disagreeing with this point? So, accordingly, be honest, whatever answers that you are giving, right? Analyze it properly so that you will be able to determine who you are internally and it will help you, right? So I hope that this video really helps, right? If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular videos of positive. Remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multi-dimensional being having human experience. So I will mention all the both links in the description. I definitely urge you to just go through this test and let me know the results and see you in the next video. Till then, bye.